Behold, Google! But where did it come from? Meet Larry Page and Sergey Brin, both born in 1973. Sergey was born in Russia, while Larry was born in the United States. Larry and Sergey met at Stanford in 1995. Sergey was already a student at the university, and he was showing Larry, a prospective student, around the campus. They reportedly disagreed about almost everything when they first met, but by 1996, the two computer science students had put aside their differences and started working on a project called Backrub. Using Sergey's data mining system, the pair created a search engine that successfully ran on Stanford's servers for over a year. By 1998, Larry and Sergey had decided to give Backrub a new name and to try their search engine's luck in the marketplace. With startup capital from Sun's Andy Bechtolsheim, they created a company that would go on over the course of the next 2 decades to radically change the world, and they called it Google. The name is based on Googol, Googol, which is a word for a number that has 1 with 100 zeros behind it. Nowadays, Google is an extraordinarily powerful company, and they're known worldwide for several ingenious inventions and programs. But the core of this company is still its excellent search engine. A large piece of this excellence comes from Larry Page's PageRank system, which ranks web pages through a complex process that incorporates more than 500 million variables and 2 billion terms. Today, Google has grown to become a force in multiple industries, and at the present time, no one really knows just how far Google can go.